So my husband decided to order some DIY kits. Um, I was pleasantly surprised when I was presented with it, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what they are all about.
Sit on that throne, queen. Know you got that goddess energy. It's in your soul, queen. Manifesting your reality. Say these words with me. I am perfect, well protected. I am so divine.
Hi, welcome back. I'm TB, and I am so excited to show you guys what my husband has been up to. He really surprised me, and I am going to dive in and show y'all what it is all about. So he was totally inspired because we have done painting with the twist. We have done a painting class together. So he knows how much I really enjoy it. So he decided to order these kits. But if you look at it, you really don't know what it's about. But I'm going to show you what these DIY painting kits are actually about. Let me open up one of them, okay? It actually sits like this. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it's actually our image on it, okay? So let me show you what the real image actually looks like. Okay, so this is what the back of it looks like. It comes in this nice little kit. So when I pulled it out, I was very surprised of all the pieces that come with it. I'm going to open it up and show you everything that comes in this little kit. The first part I'm going to take out are these little paints. You see how they have like the neutral colors? Like, I was like so blown away when I looked and I saw all the colors to match like the skin tone. So this is the first thing they have in there. Okay, so now I'm going to pull out the other piece that's incorporated in it. This actually has some more painting pieces in it, and it comes in a much bigger packet. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's actually in this packet. Okay, so I am pulling it out. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the portrait. My husband took one of our portraits and he actually had them emulated it through a painting, but not just any painting. It is a paint by numbers. So as you can see on the other side, it has all of the colors to fill in the blanks. It's very intricate. So the piece that I showed you on the first colors were incorporated in here, and now I'm going to show you the other colors that they have included. Okay, so the rest of the kit is all the intricate colors. As you can see, they have all these different colors in it. The blues and the reds, because if you look at the portrait, it has a lot of different colors in here. And they also have them numbered. They have numbers on them, right? So on that portrait sheet that I showed you, it actually shows you which number should go where. And I'm about to show you that piece right now. Okay, so they come with like these little dots. And on your guide, it gives you the number of the paint on this side, right? And then on the other side of the color, it tells you what number dot you should be putting on the paint. So it's very intricate. So I'm super excited to actually dive in and try to paint our portrait. So inside with the paint, it comes with these little brackets to put on the actual canvas, and then it comes with different kinds of paint brushes, as you can see, because it's a lot of fine tuning with this. So I'm going to show y'all the painting again, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the last piece that comes into the kit. They actually give you like a blueprint. As you can see, that's my husband's face there. This is my face here. But it has like all these fine little lines that you have to fill in the blanks. So each one is actually numbered, and you have to use the right paint according to the number. So yes, very, very detailed, very, very detailed. Okay, so here is the canvas, and here is the actual picture of the canvas. So very detailed, very detailed. Okay, so now let's move on to the second one. Yes, not only did he get one, but he got two. Let me show y'all what this one is about. Okay, so let's pull this one open. Check this one out. This is a whole different painting, but I'm going to pull it out and show you guys exactly what it's about. Okay, so let's pull this one apart, and let me show you the paint. This one has a whole different paint palette to it. That's one. And then it has this one, which is bigger and has a lot of different other colors into it. So this is the picture that this canvas is. Look how intricate this is. This is a picture of us when we were in the Yukon of Canada, right outside of Alaska. So yes, and you can see the mountains right behind us. This one also came with the blueprint as well of the picture, and I'll show you the canvas up against the picture. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see all the intricacy in it, but this is actually what this painting is about. Yes, a lot of detail, a lot of detail. This is going to be real interesting trying to paint these, but I'm up for the challenge. But yeah, this is what hubby has been up to. Very surprised, and I'm looking forward to actually painting these and seeing how they turn out. So I'll have to do another video when we're all done. Well, as you can see, I'm going to have lots of fun with my next DIY project. It's a little different than all my other DIYs, but I'm still looking forward to it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some great ideas for that next gift for that special someone. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own